Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with a Goan sweet dish, and in every house of Goa we make this. It's called Tizan. It's of finger millet. So here it is. If you can see, it looks like mustard seeds, but they are not mustard seeds. It's called finger millet. It's very tiny. Okay, so you need that. So I have taken one a big bowl of this nashne, and I soaked it overnight, washed it and I soaked it overnight, and now I will have to grind this. Then I have taken of one coconut juice, the thick juice of coconut juice. You need a thick version, and so now we have to grind this, which was soaked for overnight. So I have taken this much quantity of nashne. So it is like ragi also is known in Hindi, ragi, nashne, and in English it is finger millet. So now let's grind this, and then we have to remove juice out of this. Also we need like this of jaggery. This is Goan jaggery. It is dark brown or black jaggery, you can say. It's a coconut jaggery it is, and you have to mash it nicely. So I've taken like this type 3 of this, and we need a pinch of salt also. So now as I have grind this, I will show you. You have to remove juice. So take like this a sieve, and let's we'll remove some juice out of it. So you can put your hands also and just remove like this out of it, and we need around like 2-3 cups out of this, and then you can grind it again, so you will get more juice out of it. So if you use your hands, then it is better. See, just squeeze this. You can use your muslin cloths also. That makes it more easier. So again I'll grind this. So let's do again this. So this is the other half. This Tizan, my mother, my grandmother, boom. In our childhood, it was very, very regular in our house. It is with lot of proteins, fiber, and it's very, very healthy. When you get any pain in body, then make this. Even you can make powder out of this, and then use it in milk, and you can do this. In market you get powder also out of this. So here we got like around of that. If you want to measure it, then it is like around let's measure this. So it's like around 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5 of this of ragi, that is nashe, and juice, thick coconut juice is 1 of 1 full coconut it is. So I've got around 1.5. Okay. So 4 to 5. So coconut juice is gone in this. The ragi, that is nachne juice, and now this will put 4 to 5, that is around 365 grams of jaggery, Goan jaggery. You can do that palm jaggery also, but mostly it tastes more nice with this jaggery. And we'll put a pinch of salt in this. A pinch of salt. And let's mix this first before we could keep it on the gas. So let's mix this till the jaggery gets mixed with this, and then we'll keep it on the gas, and then we'll cook this. We'll put this on our gas and start cooking this on a slow fire and mixing this continuously till it becomes nice thick. We have to cook this. So cook this till a boil comes, then it will start becoming thick. So now let's get a boil on high flame, because jaggery is nicely melted and got along with the coconut juice and the nachne juice, finger millets. So I'm boiling it on a high flame now. First it was on low flame for 5 minutes. Now it is on high flame. If you are using non-stick like this wala pan, then it's nice. And if it is non-stick pan, then please see that you continuously have to stir this continuously, otherwise it will get for sides and all. Now it's becoming thick, so I am using this, and it is becoming nice thick. If you can see, it's becoming thick. So if you want to remove at this stage also, you can remove, but I want it like a thick. So here it is. So fast it became thick. Within few minutes, it's like 10 minutes and it is like, so it is, wow, so creamy, and it's done. Basically it's like custard how we make, like that only. See. So I think so this is okay for me. So the glaze also is come nicely. And now I will remove it and pour it in a bowl where I will keep it for overnight till it becomes room temperature, then put it in fridge and next day have it. So it's done now and it's quite thick, so I'm putting off the gas and continuously stirring it, and then I will pour this now in this. So I will serve in this now. And give this to rest here. I serve in a bigger bowl also. You can garnish it with whatever you want. However you want. But after this, don't put spoon, otherwise it gets spoils. That's what my grandmother had told. Directly when it is cooled down, you can eat this. So many this I have got. It is tasting very good. So here is our tisane original recipe. It is. This is how I have seen my mom still makes it. Still she loves this and she enjoys this every time. Whenever she gets pain also in her body and all, she makes this so that she can have it whenever she wants to make. So she makes this. So enjoy this tisane and hope you will love this tisane. And when it is chilled, when you keep in the fridge, and next day when you have it, you can have it in the evening or whenever it's cold, however you want. You want to have hot, you can have hot. If you want cold, then you can have cold. Next day, whenever, just wrap it with a cling flame and cover this and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will enjoy this tisane, a Goan traditional sweet dish of tisane. Thank you.